enjoyed video number 21 of the How to Build Your Online Marketing Business System for your business, whether you are a gym owner, you are maybe a offline or online coach in the health and fitness industry, or a PT. This video series has been created specifically for you, and I hope you've been enjoying the process. So just one more video when it comes to Stripe. Let's say you want to create an invoice for your clients. Let's say they haven't paid yet and they want to pay you tomorrow. I would always recommend though that you get payments on the phone. It's just going to really guarantee your conversions more so than if you were to say, oh, okay, I'll take payment tomorrow, because it's most likely that they're trying to throw an objection your way, they're not being too honest, or maybe they're finding it tricky to get the money. I don't know. Usually I suggest to people £197 for their 4 to 6 week program. So £197, it's not going to break the bank, is it? But you should be able to just get payment quite easy on the phone, because they would have qualified themselves already a few times as well, in order for you to get them on the phone at that point. So it shouldn't be too much of an issue. But anyway, let's just say you want to create an invoice to send to them for them to pay you in the next day or so. You can do this, and this is what this video will explain. So more to follow after this. Hello and welcome to this training. It's going to be a quick one, and it's about how you raise an invoice in Stripe for you to pass on to your potential client, or it could be just to create an invoice to keep your records tidy your side, as if you've already taken payment, that would be the case there. So what you need to do is go to your dashboard of Stripe, so the home page, and you would scroll down and you would go to customers. And then you need to basically create a new customer first. So create a new customer, and as this is my test account, I'll put my name in, so Jen Lillian, but obviously your customer name, and then their email address and the description. So let's just say it's a challenge that I've created, and it's a service I'm offering, 30-day weight loss challenge. Add customer. So what I've done here, I've added a customer. So then what I need to do is then you need to select the customer. So go to new, and then you would need to, go to invoices, and then go to new, and then here you would need to add the customer you've already included into the Stripe account. So here I've got my name again, the item, so let's just say it's that 30-day weight loss challenge. So we're creating a new product here. And then here it's only one. It's like a one-time payment, but for example, if you had I don't know, possibly quantities of 3, you would just be mindful here. I mean, if it's 3 times 197, it would change the total figure here, but obviously it's just the one-off payment in this case, or whatever case you have your side. That would bring up the total. You could put like a little side note here. Thank you. I am looking forward to working with you, whoever the name might be of your customer, your client. And here, there we are. You can now set here, if you wish to, automatically charge their payment if you've already had their information set up in the Stripe account. Or it could be that you can send them the invoice and they've got so many days to pay for the invoice. So in this case, you could put 7 days or 10 days. But I actually always suggest to my clients, don't send an invoice and expect them to pay in a timely fashion or even pay at all. Your conversions are really going to rocket through if you were to take payments on the phone when you're actually having the consultation with them over the phone. They're expecting to sort of pay for your service anyway, because they would have gone through the application process and there would have been a checkbox to say they understand that if the application is approved, and also they're happy with the price of whatever price that you would have put in that application, they're going to be really primed at this point on the phone anyway to offer you their information, their credit card or debit card information. So it's not really an issue. You won't have too many objections at all, and it'll be a nice, easy transaction on the phone. But this is how you actually raise an invoice to your potential prospect or already new customer client. So you can either preview here or send an invoice straight to them. And as you can see here, they do also save the drafts for you here in Stripe. But if you've got any questions, please let me know, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, welcome back. So now you know how to send an invoice using Stripe, using your own Stripe account. So it just makes things more streamlined. You've got your records straight to your side as well, and it becomes more professional in your business. And you know, it's a fun part, sending an invoice, or you know, receiving money if you were to send a receipt. So it means you're making money. So that's all good. Yeah, if you like this video, then awesome. Feel free to subscribe, like, and also hit that bell notification button. And if you were to also hit the comment section below and leave a comment, then you could be entered into my weekly giveaway, where I give away a business bundle to 3 new subscribers. It's all about me offering you a lead gen fix service along with a business survival kit and 2 free business trainings along with a done for you funnel. So all to subscribe for. Yeah, you can also find me on Facebook if you like Facebook. I hang out there quite a lot in my Quality Client Generation Facebook group. The link is below. If you want to find me, I'm just jenlillian.com online. You can also browse my courses on there, or there's a link that leads you to other courses. I do paid courses, free trainings, and all other good stuff. So have a little browse. Feel free. Yeah. Let's do this, guys. We've only got a few more videos left, and you've done so much. I'm probably going to do a wrap-up video on the next one, and then we'll go into Facebook, and this is where things get really exciting. So I will see you in future videos.